The Kalstein hydraulic gynecological obstetric table is a state-of-the-art solution combining innovation with practicality for unmatched comfort and versatility. Construction entirely from 304 stainless steel ensures outstanding durability and ease of maintenance, crucial for any demanding healthcare setting worldwide. The hydraulic gynecological obstetric table offers comfort for both the patient and the medical professional. It combines innovation with practicality and features upholstery with customizable mattress colors to complement any medical facility. Hydraulic operation allows smooth and precise adjustment of height and tilt positions, offering optimal patient positioning for enhanced procedural efficiency and comfort always. Backplate adjustable from 45 degrees up to 10 degrees down, providing flexible positioning options to meet every gynecological and obstetric procedure requirement. Trendelenburg position greater than 8 degrees and anti-Trendelenburg greater than 20 degrees, providing precise tilt control for safe and effective medical procedures. Ideal for gynecological exams, obstetric procedures, and minor medical interventions, ensuring optimal patient positioning and enhancing procedural efficiency in any medical facility. Explore Kalstein's complete catalog of operating tables, precision, comfort, and innovation for every medical need. Kalstein, we bring science to life.